Have you ever thought about putting sunscreen on a wooden fence? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and find out why sunblock for your fence is so important right after this.
Does the outside of your home need a little TLC? Then enter the Elevate Your Exterior contest now at todayshomeowner.com/contest. The winner will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner TV along with a great exterior makeover for their home, complete with Therma-Tru doors, Fiberon decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork. Contest ends May 24th, 2020, so enter today at todayshomeowner.com/contest. Brought to you by Therma-Tru doors, Fiberon decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork.
Everybody knows you need sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. The same principle applies to a wooden fence, but instead of burning, the wood will turn gray, warp, crack, or cup. The solution begins with a thorough cleaning. Use a detergent made especially for fences or decks and a pressure washer to remove the dirt, algae, and mold that are causing it to discolor. It's important that you don't allow the cleaner to dry on the wood. Rinse it off within 15 minutes and be careful not to use too much water pressure. Wood should be washed with pressure between 500 and 800 psi to prevent damage. Once the fence is clean, you'll want to stain or seal the wood to help protect it from the sun's UV rays. An oil stain is the best choice to really penetrate and protect your fence for years to come. I'm Danny Lipford with Tip for Today's Homeowner.